Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove auto login from Facebook and Google Chrome. If you've ever found yourself logging in automatically without entering your password and maybe you want a little more security or want to manage who can access your account on a shared device, then this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to stop Chrome from filling in passwords and logging into Facebook automatically, and you'll get a good grip on controlling your browser's login behavior in general. All right, let's jump right in. We'll cover two simple but very effective methods inside Google Chrome itself. First up, let's tackle the saved password. This is usually why Chrome is logging you in automatically, because it's storing your Facebook login and conveniently filling it in for you. So start by opening Google Chrome. To get to the settings, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. That's your doorway to most of Chrome's features. Give it a click, then select Settings. Next, find the section called Autofill and Passwords. You might see it on the left or just scroll until you spot it. Here, you want to go to the Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome keeps all those passwords it offers to save for you. Inside Google Password Manager, there's a search bar at the top. Type in Facebook to quickly zero in on the entry you're looking for. Go ahead and click on Facebook if it shows up. You'll see the details of the account Chrome has saved. Now, click on the account and there should be a delete button or a little trash can icon. Once you hit delete, Chrome will no longer remember your password for Facebook, which means you'll have to manually enter your login details next time. It's a simple step, but very powerful if your computer is shared with others or if you just want that extra barrier of security. Now, onto the second method, which is all about turning off Chrome's auto login feature entirely. This is perfect if you want even more control or if you notice Chrome is logging you into multiple websites automatically, even after you've cleared their passwords. Again, open up Chrome and head to Settings via the three-dot menu. In the left-hand sidebar, look for You and Google. Sometimes it might just say Sync in Google Services. Click that and dig into the Sync and Google Services area. Here's the key part. Find the switch for Allow Chrome Sign-In. By default, this is usually on, which lets Chrome sign you in automatically to Google services and associated sites. Toggle it off. Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser for these changes to actually work, so go ahead and close and reopen it when prompted. Turning off this setting means Chrome won't sign you in automatically anywhere, giving you that extra layer of manual control. Another useful thing you can do is check whether Facebook is still active in your currently logged in sessions. If you're using a shared computer, make sure you log out completely from Facebook before closing Chrome. Otherwise, Facebook may still keep your session active even after removing saved passwords. You can also open Chrome in incognito mode when using Facebook on public or shared devices. Incognito windows do not permanently save login sessions, cookies, or browsing history after you close them. Now, a quick pause here. Don't worry if these steps look a little different. Google likes to update Chrome from time to time, but the process is always pretty similar. If you don't see Google Password Manager right away, just look around under Autofill or Search in the settings bar. And that's it. With these two techniques, you can decide exactly how and when Chrome logs you into your Facebook account. It's a great way to keep your accounts private, especially if friends or family use your computer, or if you're concerned about security. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. Feel free to ask me any questions down in the comments. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.